Welcome to our channel. Today we how to complete the McDVoice survey, enter receipt, and submit step by step clearly. First, make sure you have a recent McDonald's receipt that includes a survey invitation. Check the receipt for the McDVoice website address, usually printed near the bottom. Look for the 26-digit survey code on the receipt, separated by dashes into blocks. If your receipt does not have a survey code, look for a store number, KS number, and visit date instead. Open a web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type the survey website exactly as it appears on your receipt, such as www.McDVoice.com. Press enter and wait for the McDVoice survey page to load fully. Choose your preferred language if the page asks you to select one. Click the button to begin the survey on the first screen. Enter the 26-digit survey code from your receipt into the matching boxes on the page. Double-check every digit before continuing, because one wrong number can block access. Click Next or Start after the code is entered correctly. If asked for receipt details instead of a survey code, enter the store number and KS number carefully. Enter the date of your visit and the time of your purchase using the receipt as your reference. Click Next to confirm your receipt information and proceed. Read each question on the screen and select the answer that matches your experience. Rate the quality of the food you received during your visit. Rate the speed of service and how quickly your order was handled. Rate the cleanliness of the dining area, counters, and restrooms if you used them. Rate the friendliness and helpfulness of the staff you interacted with. Answer any questions about order accuracy, including missing or incorrect items. If the survey provides a comment box, write clear and polite feedback in simple sentences. Continue clicking Next after each page to move through the remaining questions. When asked if you were satisfied overall, choose the option that best matches your visit. If the survey asks for contact details, only enter them if you are comfortable sharing that information. Review your answers if the survey shows a confirmation step before submission. Click Submit to send your responses and complete the McDVoice survey. Write down or screenshot the validation code or offer shown at the end, and follow the receipt instructions to redeem it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.